It doesn't lock or unlock too?
Oh, that key's jammed in there, man.
So what's cool is, let me try to film this. Or you can hold this if you don't mind.
Yeah, we got you.
So to move it, you actually push this in and then,
Yeah, oh yeah, there you go. So it does still lock.
it still works. We got to get this out. Hopefully the position is good for us because it does have to be turned to take it out. So kind of like at that angle. So let's see.
Gotcha.
If not, I could probably turn the inside one to get it out. All right. See how it's hitting? So
Yeah.
That's basically the I gotta figure out the right position. Should be right around here. I wonder if this one's funny me. Okay, so
Little pin in it.
yeah, you gotta push that pin down. And then you can turn it back. There we go. There we go.
Oh wow. Yeah.
So we got that out. Then I'll get it out and then does she have, oh, we can use this key to copy.
You can still use that one?
Well, I can copy this key.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But this key actually is still working, technically.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'll take it to my man, I'll figure it out.
Sweet, cool, man.
Yep.
Thanks.
All right, let's see how we're gonna get this broken key out. I'll try before me, that's why it's all scratched up. Okay, so I'm basically gonna take everything out. One by one. So we do want to put them all back in the right order. Actually, I might be able to just take one out in the end. Let's see. So I empty the last chamber out. We're gonna shove. Nope, still stuck in there. Although can't get that bottom pin out again. Oh, they both came out. So now we don't know which one. Got two of them out. We don't know which one is the next one, or the next one we'll have to see by the key. So we got two that we don't know. So I put them down right here, and then they're gonna go somewhere, either here or here. But we'll figure it out from the key. All right, let's get this key out now. There it comes. Okay, got the key out. Turn this machine on. So we have our last one. Then it goes raised up really high. So we know that that's going to be our shorter one. And then it goes back deeper. So that's going to be our longer one. So I'm going to put all those back in just like that. Copy this key. And we'll be all done. I guess you guys can watch me put it all back in. So we have the third one. We put our bottom pin, our top pin, spring, and then the thing that closes it so they don't all fly out. And then again, got our bottom pin, got our top pin, we got our spring, and then we close it up. All right, and then our last one, we got our bottom pin, we got our top pin, we got our spring, and we close it up. Okay, let's close this out. All right, now we're gonna cut this key. Just use our slag chart. Read the key. 3, 2, 6, 3, 0, 3. Next. Let's cut it on the A side. Let's see, we got this key cut. Let's see if it turns. It does turn, but ever so. It does turn, but it is a little bit tight. Let's see which one is off. 3. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to make it smoother is just a little hand file. Those cuts are all right, but they're a little bit in between. So maybe the lock's more now, but the customer has another key, so I really don't want to change anything in here or rekey it. We're remodeling the house, but I have another key somewhere out of state, so. Okay, that's actually pretty smooth. Lock it up. Oh, there's no door. There are door locks. Let's see. I wonder if it's the same key for everything. Oh, this door's painted shut. I wonder if they know about that. I wonder if they know. Someone painted this door shut, huh? This door is painted shut. It's a quick set, so it's gonna be a different key. Yeah. Who did that, huh? Who knows, right? I guess just give it a good kick. It'll open. All right, we'll put this lock back in. So to put this lock back in, this has to be turned the correct way. There's a little thing here you push down. Push up, sorry. So I just use like the quick set smart key type of deal. And turn it. Now that this piece is out of the way, you'll slide in smooth. And you basically just turn it back so it locks in. And then when you got screw, I thought I grabbed that screw. Hopefully I didn't drop it. I have more if I need. Right here. And then the screw just holds it in from moving around.
No, I'll reach out there and ask her. Probably nothing too crazy. And none of that mesh shit, you know.
You guys are doing the whole house, or?
Yeah.
Nice. That door is painted shut. I saw it.
What was that?
The garage door is painted shut. You seen it? Uh-huh. You lift it up and then you turn it. Door's locked. I'll lock.